All right, Christy and I are at the Bald Mountain trailhead. We're gonna go hike Bald Mountain. So here's the trailhead right here, and the trail goes up to that and then up the ridge line to that. Fun little peak up there with incredible views. We're gonna go check it out. I was inspired to do this trail again since Jennifer did it while she's in town. I haven't done it since I was in high school, so it'd be fun to revisit this trail after so many years. Christy's never done it, so it's going to be amazing. Yeah. We're going to have great views from the top, 360 all the way around the beautiful Uintas. And there's the trailhead information. Yeah, the truck said 37 degrees this morning. It's almost 8 a.m. October 2nd. Fall is in the air. The leaves on the way up here were just amazing. We'll make sure we get those on the way out. I think the trail said 2.7 miles round trip with about 1,150 foot elevation gain. So right out of the chute, we're going at a pretty good incline. Whew. Yep. Maybe I should have grabbed my trekking poles too. Dang. All right, this trail is like a giant stair-stepping machine. Who needs to go to the gym when you're doing this? And I don't think you have these kind of views at the gym either. More the reason to come up here. It's fantastic. That's the highway, Mirror Lake Highway 150, coming up over the top. All right, so far so good on the altitude, not bothering us too much. You see the sun out there lightening up the colors. We've got a few flowers hanging on before winter.
Literally the
Here's a little different kind of a flower. Those are pretty. Well, it's October. Christy's wearing her festive hat. We're starting to get some views of the valley down below. And there's our destination right up top there. There's Reed's Peak. Weber River drainage. Yeah, we can see the lakes now. There's Wall Lake, there's Trial Lake, Washington Lake. I can't remember. I think that's Butter Lily Lake, I think, and then Lost Creek. Well, this segment of trail shows us our destination really well. Top of that cliff up there. There's a view of the basin into the Mirror Lake area. Wow, look at that reflection on that lake down there. That is cool. All right, I have to point this out. That right there is Granddaddy Mountain. And right, you can't see behind this ridgeline, but that's Granddaddy Basin. We were just there 2 weeks ago on a backpacking trip. Pretty sweet. So Jim, if you're wondering where Granddaddy Mountain is, let's see if I can get my finger like you do. Right there. All right, well there should be the infamous Mirror Lake and the Mirror Lake Highway. So pretty. All right, so we're getting close to the summit. Look at this trail. That is amazing. And the sun starting to burn through that haze. And look at these views. Heck yeah. That is spectacular. And trail's not too bad. I thought we were gonna have a boulder crawl, but
There's your trail.
not yet.
Which is awesome.
Well, maybe I spoke too soon. Looks like there's a little bit of boulder in here. Kinda.
Sunshine.
Yay, sunshine!
A minute.
All right, I had to stop for a second. We're at the 11,742, which is the same elevation as Mount Timpanogos, which is that far mountain right there that overlooks our house. What do you think about that view? Pretty awesome. We've now
So amazing.
made it to the first set of cliff edges that overlook the valley below there. Some Mirror Lake Highway sneaking on through there. Get nice reflections on the lakes.
Here, stay here. I'm gonna just.
Christy's gonna go look for a high point. All right, we got one last little scramble to the top. I think we found our fault summit back behind us here. So now we're trying to gain that last 100 foot of elevation or so.
Like a really hard staircase.
Yeah,
A really hard one.
and voila, we've achieved maximum altitude. Oh heck yeah, 360 views for sure. I'm gonna get the drone out. You can see down into Wyoming now. So that's the Mirror Lake Highway heading down into Wyoming. Okay, this is it. It's a little mouse. Meow. Check him out. Mouse. All right, we're up on top, but check this out. This tells you that fall is in the air and winter's on the way, because check this out. Ice. And there's the there's the cliff. And it is cliffy for sure. Here's the Mirror Lake view. Oh baby. There's Mirror Lake. There's Reed's Peak and the Weber drainage for the Weber River. There's the rest of the basin up there. Here's our 360 view. But we need to get some altitude on the drone to really maximize the view here. So, heck yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Well, I don't think it's going to recover from this one. Dang it. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful that is. Christy found the view worth looking at. Holy cow. Alright, we're gonna go take a peek off this edge a little bit. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. That's worth the walk over here.
Oh yeah, that's a nice little ledgy ledge.
Don't go out on it.
I wouldn't if it's not safe. Oh wow.
Christy's going for another high point. Yeah, don't go any further than that. That is an amazing shot right there. Well, must say this was pretty amazing.
Oh yeah.
Views
Awesome.
360 all the way around. And the drone footage, even better.
Oh,
Holy cow. But I got some incredible crash footage of the drone.
Yeah.
Unfortunate thing is,
It died.
it's done dead. When it crashed, it fell about, something wrong with the propeller.
I could hear it.
It was having distress. I was trying to get it back to me, and I got it to within about 50 feet, but it fell out of the sky straight down about 50 feet and crashed on the gimbal, broke one of the arms off, broke the gimbal. So it's a done deal.
Yep.
Time to upgrade the drone, I guess. Dang it. So we had this mountain pretty much to ourselves. The hikers that were up here before us are already down. We're the only ones up here. No, you're gonna go right. Don't go off that edge. Yeah, don't go that way.
Okay.
All right, you're gonna put some things into perspective. Okay. So that out there is Granddaddy Basin. And then this is the Highline Trail. It starts right here and goes out through here, and then it rounds the corner right there, and that pass that's right there, that pass, it's Rocky Sea Pass. That's the first pass if you're headed eastward on the Highline Trail. Well, I can't get enough of these views. Holy cow. This little knifey ridge that we're on here. We got views down that way of all the lakes. So beautiful. There goes Christy ducking out of sight right there on the trail. And then down on the Mirror Lake side, more views. Amazing. Yeah! This trail is awesome!
Just don't walk off the edge.
Alright, according to the GPS up there at the summit, it looked like we were just barely under 12,000 feet. I thought it was a hair over, but GPS said we were a hair under. So maybe the mountain's sinking because so many people are climbing on it. I don't know. Is it plausible? Not likely. All right, we're starting to get a sign of the trailhead parking lot right there. You see the red truck down in there, that's us. Woohoo! Red and black, call it the Coke Zero truck. All right, we completed the trail. It's about 3 miles round trip. And I'd recommend that hike for sure.
Oh yeah.
About 1,100 foot elevation gain. We topped out close to 12,000 feet, so high elevation.
Yeah.
But awesome. Oh, I got shaky legs so bad. Check it out. And there's the shaky leg. That's what happens when I go down steep trail. I get the shaky leg. That's legit. I'm not shaking on purpose. Woohoo! Just have to do our Viva Dr. Pepper cream soda, 0 sugar, and Christy's got Viva Agua. Awesome. For real this time, Viva Coke Zero.